Protocol Forge, a masterclass in asset deployment. Accessing the command center. Open your browser and navigate immediately to remix.ethereum.org. This is the world-class browser-based refinery used by the top 1% of blockchain engineers to deploy billions in locked value. By entering this URL, you are no longer a spectator. You are stepping into the command center. The beauty of Remix is its accessibility. Zero setup, zero installation, and zero excuses. You are standing in a digital hangar with the keys to the global ledger. Look at the interface before you. This is your personal production vault. The environment. On the left navigation pane, locate the File Explorer icon. The genesis. Click the new file icon. Title it mytoken.sol. The master tip. That .sol suffix is more than a file type. It is your credential. It announces to the network that you are deploying Solidity, the native intelligence of the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM. This code is the literal bedrock of the future economy. However, a word of caution, the blockchain is unforgiving. One misplaced character in your script can result in black hole contracts where funds are trapped forever. If you are hunting for a battle-tested launch protocol designed for seven-figure scalability, don't leave it to luck. Contact me on Telegram for a bespoke professional build that has been audited for maximum security. Stage 1. Initializing the Vanguard. The era of watching from the sidelines is over. While the masses chase crumbs, the elite are building the bread. We are moving beyond the interface and into the machinery of decentralized finance. You have your file open. Now you must define the reality of your asset. Every smart contract functions as a digital statute, an unbreakable automated set of laws. To own the charts, your project requires 4 vital pillars of digital DNA. The name. This is the unique signature that defines your project's legacy. The symbol. Ticker, your 3 or 4 letter market brand, like Wolf or Gold. Total supply, the specific mechanism that governs scarcity and market weight. Decimals, we set this to 18 to meet global liquidity standards. The founder's ultimatum. If you are finally ready to synthesize a high-performance token capable of moving $5,000 in daily volume, stop hesitating. The window for amateurs is closing. DM me on Telegram now. This is where the amateurs fade away and the founders seize control. Stage 2. Programming the digital DNA. Now, we define the core logic of your currency. To dominate the charts, you cannot rely on copy-paste code found in public forums. Those scripts often contain honeypots or backdoors that allow hackers to drain your liquidity the moment it hits the pool. Ready to escape the daily grind? If you want to launch a project that maintains a consistent $5,000 day profit flow, hit me up on Telegram for the elite blueprint. Once this code is live, it is unalterable. Secure an optimized framework by contacting me directly before you hit the deploy button. Stage 3. The compilation sequence. Once your logic is sealed, we must translate your vision into machine-level execution. Head to the Solidity Compiler tab, the S logo, on the sidebar. Match the version. Ensure your compiler version matches your code header. This is the #1 trap that catches beginners off guard. Trigger the build. When you're ready, trigger the blue Compile button. Done with the technical headaches? If you want to skip the learning curve and be live by tomorrow, message me on Telegram for a full-service, white-glove deployment. When the green check appears, your token is officially active in the system staging area. For private mentorship on professional-grade deployment, you know where to find me. Stage 4. Deploying to the global ledger. This is the definitive crossover. Switch to the Deploy and Run Transactions window. Under the Environment setting, select Injected Provider to bridge Remix directly to your MetaMask. This is the moment your idea becomes a liquid reality. The gas. You'll need a tiny amount of gas. the native fuel ETH, BNB, or Matic, required to write your name into history. The confirmation: verify your supply count one last time. If you're nervous about the execution, ping me on Telegram for a supervised launch. Once you click Deploy and confirm the wallet prompt, your token is officially live. It is public, tradable, and permanent. To learn how to market this asset to thousands of hungry investors, message me immediately. Stage 5. Claiming your territory. After the transaction is confirmed, look at the bottom of the screen under Deployed Contracts. Copy that contract address. This is your token's digital fingerprint, its unique ID on the planet. If you want to construct an entire DeFi ecosystem, staking, rewards, or NFTs around this contract, let's get moving. Reach out on Telegram. Open MetaMask, go to Tokens, click Import, and paste your address. Watch as your name and balance populate in real time. You are now holding your own minted wealth. To turn that balance into tangible daily revenue, you need a strategy. Reach out now. The path to absolute authority. Congratulations, you've officially crossed the line. You are no longer just a crypto holder. You are a protocol architect. But stay sharp. A token without a community is just dormant code. True, legendary success requires deep liquidity pools, surgical marketing, and a lethal launch strategy. If you want to hit that $5,000 day milestone, stop playing the guessing game. I help founders scale from zero to millions by building high-security, high-impact projects. For a custom-built contract that dominates the market, contact me via the Telegram link in the description. Take the lead, build the future, own the chain. Like this video, subscribe to the Wolver channel, and drop your project ideas in the comments below. I see every single one. I'll see you in the next video. Let's build.